Today I'm going to reveal you something that I have gatekept for over the past year and have used internally, but I'm going to shine some light on this today. This strategy will allow you to basically stop sending cold emails for once and for all and just rely on this strategy. It basically costs you nothing to do. You can do this in bulk. It's literally free. Anyone can do it. It's just a pain to manage. So let's see what it is. If you upload something to Google Drive, you can share it and it's going to land in the person's inbox. The reason for this is simple, because Google uses a transactional email system that they actually built. Everything that you share is going to land in the person's inbox. So it could be an image of your favorite campaign. It could be a video of you actually pitching someone in a VSL, or it could be a tutorial. Whatever it is that you want to share, it is going to work. I just uploaded 2 random files just for the sake of this demonstration, and I'm going to create a brand new fresh email account on this temporary platform. So you will see in real time how fast and how powerful this is. So let's say I just want to send this screenshot to, a few people, right? You could put here dozens at once. I'll let you know on the exact limits that I've come to in a sec, but I just want to first wow you with what this can do. So first of all, you just want to put the emails that you want to send to. You could do editor, viewer, commenter. If you don't want them to mess with this, you could just put them on viewer. You can put also a message for this. You could say, hey, this is just a test. What's up, right? And then if you click send, it's going to ask, because this is not a Google account, you can just click share anyway. It's going to share it to this person. It's going to show up magically in their inbox. You can see how fast it is. I have not cut anything. It basically was like this, like instantaneous. And as you can see, that's my name of the email account. I have my email address, which I'll probably blur. And then you can see item share with you screenshot. Obviously just a random screenshot, but how you can play around with this is basically just rename it to whatever is your pitch. Put your pitch here in subject line, right? If I rename this, it's going to show up as that. Obviously not retroactively. I'll show you if we name it and just do it like that. Let's say I'll do it for the video. I'm just put the same subject line here like this. And if I click it, it's going to show the screenshot. This platform, it doesn't show you the screenshot or the video. But if you are on Google or if you're on any other platform, I've tried my business email on Outlook, it does show the PNG, it does show the videos as well, and it does show the message as well. You can see the profile picture I have here as well. It is just absolutely insane what you could do with this. Now, let's see what happens if I share a video, right, to the same person. And again, you can put here whatever you want, right? Like it's going to ask you again. I'm going to share it anyway, just in case. And as you can see, bam, there it is. And then look, put your pitch here, subject line .mp4. It's going to land in the prospect's inbox every single time. And again, you're going to have a nicer looking preview window than I have here. It's going to look something like this with the thumbnail and the preview showing. And then you can put your pitch here, like an actual subject line, like you would do with cold email. You could just put your subject line here and you could put your cold email message here. It's just awesome, right? Like I'm sure you had this happen, like, oh my God, I just want to send that video over. But like for whatever reason, the main reason, obviously, if you send videos like to first email, it's not going to work because it's going to go to spam. But now you can actually do it. And the good thing is you can scale this up, because if I just put here, dozens and dozens and dozens of emails, it's not going to work. There's a limit to it. And the limit is roughly about 8 to 10 shares per actual share, actual send. So you can put here 8 to 10 email accounts. It's going to work fine. And the total limit, let's say within 1 hour of actually sending, is about 30. Now you can get around these limits by using automations, but you're going to get flagged and Google is going to notice your account. You're going to need a lot of accounts to manage as well. So I've been using an internal software to manage all of this, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. But the good thing about this is you can run it automatically, and per email account you can easily send 100 to 200 of these shares, whatever you want to share, per day, and it's going to show in the person's inbox no matter what, right? And it has a very low risk of actually banning your account, because we have figured out a system which, number one, you can bulk order accounts, number two, you can bulk configure them, and number three, Obviously, this is just an internal demo, just for the sake of showing you. You can set what it is that you're sending. So you can put here the files, whatever files you want to send, and the tool is going to send it for you. You can put here the Google accounts that you want to send to. Obviously, this is again just for internal. Once we make it production ready, there's so many of you guys asking for this every single day. It's unbelievable because that's how powerful it is. We will make a nicer UI, so don't worry. But the point is, you can put your Google accounts that you want to outreach from. I'm going to blur these so you don't take them. And then you can put your lead database here, leads basically like you want to send to. And then finally, the proxies as well as the text, right? Like the text I showed you that I want to send to. And that's it. I'll show you just a quick example on this, on how this tool works. Again, just for the sake of example, let's use, if I have multiple, I'll just put multiple. We have 3, and let me just save it. Let me start 3 accounts. I already selected which file directory it is, where the files are located. I already selected where the text is located, where the accounts, the proxies, lead base. And then I just need to start this puppy up. It's very, very simple. And then you can just let this run in the background. It's going to do its magic. You can see the logs here, the results. If there's any errors, it will scream at you. And then if you want to see like what it's actually doing, you can open up these browsers. Or if you want to, you can hide them. It's not going to really affect anything, but it's going to do its thing regardless. So what it's going to do is going to log on to Google with the proxies that we have given it. It's going to log on to the accounts that we have given, and then it's going to upload the files that I have told it to upload, which is here in this folder. It's just a JPEG, a PDF, and another PNG, just some random images. It's going to log in here and going to share it, and that's pretty much it. We told it to share to only these 3 leads, so right now that's why I put 3 sequences. There is going to be a fast mode that I have not enabled, which is going to use AdsPower to actually save the login sessions. So you're not going to have like any issues logging in. So sometimes, Google gives you a little bit of a headache when you're logging in, but we have counted for all scenarios and have made it work with hundreds of consecutive accounts. So you're not going to have any issues. As you can see, it's logging in with the 2FA. All right, there it is. 2FA code there. It's getting the 2FA for here as well, Bam, it's logged in. Very nice. Next, add the files that I have told it to add, and it's going to add it to my drive very simply. What it does, it just simply adds it. It deletes the previous files. There's no overlap, right? Obviously, you're not going to see this whole process. This is just, I want to show you like an uncut, unedited version of how this tool runs. And the beauty of this, right? Like you might be saying, okay, it's a little bit slow, but what if you run 500 concurrent sessions? And really there's nothing stopping you from doing so. Just for the sake of example, just so it's very just easy to follow, I'm just showing you 3, but it can handle as many as you throw at it. All you need is leads. All you need is Google accounts. And Google accounts, I have a personal plug, so if you want to use this software when we release it, I'll give you access to him. He's only charging like basically like 20 cents, maybe 10 cents per account. And these accounts have been absolutely fine for years on end. We have not had any issues. They're super easy to replace. If you want to buy like 1,000, it's going to cost you like $100, maybe $200, right? And just imagine sending 20, 30 per account times 1,000 per day automatically, basically for super cheap. It's ridiculously cheap, right? And that's the beauty of this. You can just let it run in the background and then just funnel people to your program, funnel people to your VSL, funnel people to your SaaS, whatever it is that you want to sell, funnel people to your calendar. You make an interesting VSL and just funnel people to that. Right? You can make up any combinations. The only problem with this, right, like you obviously cannot like reply back to people. You cannot track, what is the percentage that people are replying to. You cannot track the KPIs. You can only see like the end destination if they bought your product, subscribe to your newsletter. There's basically infinite variations here. So as you can see, it already started the upload. So it added the files, and now it's going to take the emails that I've given it, and it's going to start sharing them. It selected both 3. It gave the same prompt as we did. Let me just enlarge it. As you can see, sending to an external organization. and we're going to share anyway, and this one is going to do so as well. There's a filter if you want to remove like duplicates as well, you can do so. In this case, I've not enabled it, but let's see if it comes through. It hasn't accepted it yet, hasn't clicked share now yet. Once it does, it's going to, like we just checked, automatically just go through and process. There you go. What does it say? Updated, which means basically, you know, sent over. So let's refresh. Boom, both of them exact same time, instantaneously. Obviously I haven't enabled not to send duplicates, so that's why we got both of them. But look at this, we got the JPEG, it's test message. I'm sharing the files right now. Same thing here. This was another test we did. It's just super easy, super easy. Let's check the other account in case you don't believe me this works. Look at it. Bam, here, fresh account. As you can see, both of them arrived. Let's check the third one, and there you go. I'm gonna stop this right here because I think you get the point. It's gonna loop through all of them until it goes through the whole of the accounts that you put into it, all the leads, and then it's gonna cool off, and then it's ready to reuse again. And the beauty of this, obviously, it's just very simple right now. It's just internal use, but it deletes the ones that you have already used, so there's not gonna be any concurrency. If you want to be notified of this and get a grandfather pricing on it, is just basically come to the web page and click on freebies and just sign up for my newsletter, and I will let you know first hand when it is launching, and you're gonna have a nice little early access package to it. It's going to be huge. Just imagine, you know, you buying 1,000 accounts for $100, and each and every single day you can send easily. I mean, if you just want to like run it once, you can send 30 times 1,000, which is 30,000 per day. If you want to run it like 4 or 5 times per day in 4 or 5 sessions, obviously it's, you know, concurrent, so it's going to work regardless. Then you can basically send up to 100K plus per day just from 1,000 accounts from a $100 investment. Obviously, I have not figured out the pricing for this software, but it's just, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous what it allows you to do. So if you're stoked for it, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the newsletter. It is coming in the next week or 2, depending on when you're watching this video. It might already be out. So hopefully I hyped you up for this. If nothing else, just go do it for yourself. Just go ahead and test it for yourself, see if it works, and see the results firsthand. All right, with this in mind, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.